Unfold quickly. Mubarak, the fast one again. Pull your hands down to create a line here, and then you unfold. The next thing you do is to make a triangle at the top here. You simply fold this place down to make a very neat triangle. You fold this place down, and you fold the other one down, and it has to be very neat. So if you make triangles that are not equal, then you know there is a problem in the bolts you are going to make. A perfect design will make your bolts to move well on water. Otherwise, it will capsize on its course just like the Titanic did. So we don't want that to happen. Can you all see? Now the next thing you do is point this place to me. Point it to. Can you see? This is what we've done so far. Boys, you gotta be fast. Can you all see? Can you all see? Alright. Now the next thing you do is put your index finger in here and put this one under, and then you pull up. Can you see what I did? And then you have a new shape. Looks like a square, doesn't it? Looks like a square now. You all see what I did? It was like this initially. And put your index finger, one at the top, the other at the bottom, and you pull up and you straighten out to make a square shape. We're moving on. Have you all done this? Just use your hand to push this in and press it out. Please press it. Press it to make it a perfect square. I believe you all know what a perfect square is. The imperfect square in mathematics. Okay. As I'm pointing mine towards you, put your index finger inside. Fold this part up. Please, no mistakes. And the other part down. Perfect. One part up, the other part down. To get a perfect job. You get something like this. Put your finger in and pull up. You get a new shape. As it is now, we have just one more step to get the perfect bolt. But if you want to make it smaller, to get something as small as that, you can fold it one more time. Okay, so we're going to make the big one, after which we make the small one. If you want to make the big one, you're almost done. Just turn it this way. This part, just pull it out. And you get a big bolt. Let me show you one more time. This is what you're having. You can see the open part here. This is what you're having, the open part. Then go to the other end. Turn it upside down. And from here, just simply pull it out. Wow, it's a cute boat we have here. This should take you from this camp back to your homes, right? If it rains, we have flood. So you just put this between the boats, and then you just get it in the water, and then you go on, and you sing, row, row, row your boat till you get home. It's safe. Now, as I said, if you want to make something smaller, and I'm going to give you a test now. You're going to make a smaller one. And remember, if you want to make the smaller one, instead of unfolding when we did, you're still going to fold it one more time, and then you unfold it. You get the smaller folds.